Hey everyone, ever wondered about the future of AI and communication? Well, you're in the right place. We are gonna dive into the fascinating world of OpenAI GPT-4 and how it's changing our lives. Picture this, an AI that gets you like really gets you and talk just like a human. There's GPT-4 for you. The incredible language model from OpenAI is a game changer. It can generate text that's superhuman like and understand context like nobody's business. It's taking AI communication to a whole new level. Now let's see how GPT-4 can make our lives a lot better. Content creation. Stuck with writer's block? No worries. GPT-4 can help you write engaging blog posts, crafty witty social media content, or even pen poetry, all in your unique style. Customer support. Picture a chatbot that really understands you and provide helpful solutions. GPT-4 powered chatbots can empathize with customers for a smoother support experience. Personal AI assistant. Need help managing your to-do list or finding the perfect movie? GPT-4's got your back. It learns your preferences, gives personalized recommendation, and even help plan a dream vacation. Language translation. No more language barriers. GPT-4 can translate text in real time, making it easier to connect with people from different cultures. And that's just the tip of an iceberg. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We have got to make sure AI models like GPT-4 are used for good. There are challenges like biases in training data, potential for spreading fake news, and deepfake content. But don't worry, OpenAI got our back. They are working on guidelines, restrictions, and ways for users to give feedback, all to make sure AI is used responsibly. So, what's next? The sky is the limit. AI will keep getting better and more integrated into our lives, revolutionizing industries and making AI accessible to everyone. There are so much cool research happening in NLP like transfer learning, explainable AI, and futures learning. It's super important for us to stay informed and be a part of the conversation around AI and its applications. Well, GPT-4 is a game-changing language model that's gonna transform our lives. If we use its power wisely, we can unlock the true potential of AI and kick off a new era of communication and efficiency. The future of AI-powered language understanding is here, and it's up to us to make the most out of it. Did this video pique your interest? If so, give it a like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content on AI and tech. Thanks for watching.